What's up, guys? Check it out. So, one thing I ate earlier today was cashews. And one thing that cashews have is good fat. It's called oleic acid. And I believe that's how you say it, oleic acid. That's the same kind of fat that olive oil has, oleic acid. As far as I am understanding, good fat is basically good cholesterol. That's as far as I'm understanding. And what happens is, when you have good cholesterol, which is called HDL, that's the good cholesterol. When you have good cholesterol flowing through your bloodstream, it seems to attach itself to bad cholesterol, which is called LDL. And so the good cholesterol attaches itself to the bad cholesterol and carries it to the liver. And the liver basically breaks it down and gets rid of it. So then bad cholesterol goes down. And you want to have higher good cholesterol, and you want to have lower bad cholesterol. You want to have higher HDL, and you want to have lower LDL. With that being said, oleic acid seems to be beneficial for that. And I believe that's a monosaturated fat. So monosaturated fats and polysaturated fats are the healthy fats. Omega 3 and omega 6, I believe, are polysaturated fats. Omega 3 is anti-inflammatory. However, you need both omega 3 and omega 6 to have a healthy functioning body. For example, brain. Your brain is a lot of fat. You have a lot of fat in your brain. Your brain is made up of fat. Also, the cell membranes, which are basically it's basically the skin of the cell. So what keeps things out and in the cell. It's called the cell membrane, and that's made up of fat as well. So fat, guys, very important. You want to have healthy fats. One more thing I'll mention, or a couple more things. LDL, when you have too much bad cholesterol, which is LDL, basically what the liver, as far as I understand, the liver has to basically distribute it through the bloodstream. And so that bad cholesterol, what happens is, as far as I understand, it attaches itself to cells. And then those cells start to clump up and they start to clog your vessels, your arteries, for example. And basically plaque buildup occurs. Okay, this is as far as I understand about good and bad fat. Bad fat would be things like trans fat, saturated fat, excessive saturated fat. As far as I understand, like I said, I encourage you to research further yourself. Whenever you get a minute, do a quick research on healthy fats. Read an article for 2 minutes about what that is. And every once in a while, if you do like a 2-minute research throughout your day, on the daily, just one time a day, 2 minutes about, a variety of nutrients such as healthy fats, you can learn a little bit at a time. However, LDL, HDL, you want to have lower LDL, which is the bad cholesterol. You want to have higher HDL, which is the good cholesterol. Good fat monosaturated fat, for example, is going to help you lower bad cholesterol and it's going to help you raise the good cholesterol. Cashews have oleic acid, which, as far as I understand, is a monosaturated fat. Right, guys? So I'll leave it at that. Talk to y'all later. Peace out.